What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back for day 5 of the grade. Today we are talking about white balance. So as you see, this image here is very orange. With white balance, you're essentially just getting your whites white. And so there's 2 ways to do white balance. One way I'm going to show you is the most common way people do it. And then the second way is the way that is essentially a better way to do it. So the most common way is people are in their white balance node and they just see this temp slider here and they just drag it all the way down until they can cool off the image basically. So you get your whites pretty white here, you can bring it down a little bit more. But if you go too far, the whites become a little blue tint. So bring it here, and then you want to get some more red, so I use your tint slider here to kind of clean it up a little bit more. And that is an okay image. It's not perfectly white, it's still actually pretty blue, but you can work with that. But if you want to do it the better way, here's the better way to do it. And I'll show you the difference here. Turn this off, and turn this on. See the difference in whites? I'm going to show you both of them. Alright, so this is how you do this version. So reset the node. You're going to go to your search bar and type in, you want to click on Chromatic Adaptation. Drag and drop there, and you want to change a few settings, and then you'll be able to change your white balance. You want to change this to color temperature, change this to color temperature. And now you want to work with this slider. And you see how cleaner the whites are compared to the last. Here you can see the difference. Let me zoom it in a little bit. Here you will see the difference between the temp slider and the other way to change your white balance. The right side is the other way and the left side is the temp slider. That is it for day 5. Thank you for watching. Tune in for day 6 where we will talk about the difference between lifting your shadows and crushing your blacks. Deuces.